What if the line between the virtual and the real world is blurred? Imagine the possibilities. In the realm of technology, we're on the cusp of a new dawn. We're not just talking about augmented reality, but also its intriguing sibling, mixed reality. These technologies promise to reshape our world, transforming how we interact, learn, and experience our surroundings. They're not just the future, they're the present, and their potential is astounding. Journey with us as we explore the exciting world of AR and MR technologies. Once a figment of sci-fi imagination, Arkansas and MR are now very much a part of our reality. So, how did we leap from the pages of science fiction to the real world? Well, it all began with the concept of overlaying digital information onto the physical world. Early AR tried to achieve this through headsets and handheld devices, but it wasn't until the smartphone revolution that AR truly found its footing. Similarly, MR, a blend of real and virtual worlds, was once confined to the realm of imagination. But with advancements in technology, we've seen it evolve into practical applications. Imagine a surgeon performing a complex operation with the aid of MR, or an architect visualizing a building before it's even built. Today, these technologies are no longer just concepts. They're real, tangible, and transforming various industries. From gaming to education, Arkansas and MR are changing the way we interact with the world. In the world of gaming, Arkansas brings an immersive experience that traditional gaming can't match. Just think about the global phenomenon of Pokémon Go. This mobile game took the world by storm, placing virtual creatures into our real-world surroundings. It didn't just change the game, it revolutionized the entire gaming industry. AR makes gaming more than just a hobby or a pastime. It turns gaming into an adventure that unfolds right before our eyes, in our own environment. By overlaying digital information onto our physical world, players are given the chance to interact with their surroundings in a whole new way. No longer are players simply controlling characters on a screen. With AR, they become a part of the game, moving, exploring, and engaging with the game in their real-world environment. AR is transforming gaming from a passive activity to an interactive, physically engaging experience. Education is no longer confined to the four walls of a classroom thanks to AR. Now imagine studying astronomy and having the ability to explore the universe in your own living room. That's precisely what AR apps like Skyview are doing. Skyview allows students to point their devices at the night sky and identify constellations, stars, and planets. It's like having a personal planetarium at your fingertips. And it's not just astronomy. Take a subject like history. Google Expeditions AR is bringing history to life, allowing students to explore ancient civilizations, walk through historical events, and even virtually meet influential figures from the past. Rather than reading about these subjects in textbooks, students are experiencing them in a whole new way. It's learning by doing, seeing, and interacting. And it's all thanks to augmented reality. It's transforming education, making it more immersive, more engaging, and a lot more fun. AR is making learning more engaging, interactive, and fun. The healthcare industry is seeing a paradigm shift with the advent of AR. Augmented reality is revolutionizing this field in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. For surgeons, Arkansas provides a new layer of precision. By overlaying a patient's data, such as CT scans and MRI images, onto their real-world view, surgeons can navigate complex surgeries with increased confidence and accuracy. But the influence of AR doesn't stop there. It's also changing the landscape of medical training, allowing doctors to practice procedures in a risk-free virtual environment. This immersive experience enhances their skills and readiness for real-world scenarios. Moreover, Arkansas is a powerful tool for patient education. By visualizing their conditions and treatment plans in 3 dimensions, patients can better understand their health, leading to improved patient engagement and outcomes. In essence, Arkansas is not just saving lives, but also improving the quality of healthcare services. It's not a distant future, it's a reality, right here, right now. In the spectrum between the real and virtual world lies mixed reality. This fascinating technology merges actual and digital realms, creating a unique environment where physical and virtual objects coexist and interact in real time. Unlike augmented reality, which merely layers digital elements onto the real world, mixed reality integrates these elements, fostering an immersive experience. It's like inviting virtual objects into your living room and interacting with them as if they were real. MStar is not just about overlaying digital content, it's about integrating it into our real world. In the realm of entertainment, MSR is creating experiences that are out of this world. Imagine stepping into a movie, not just watching it, but truly living it. Mixed reality is making this possible, turning spectators into participants. Blockbuster films are now being enhanced with MSR experiences, allowing fans to interact with their favorite characters and settings in ways never before possible. Theme parks, too, are harnessing the power of MSR. Instead of simply riding a roller coaster, you can now battle aliens or dive under the sea with dolphins, all while never leaving your seat. The thrill is amplified, the immersion is total. These are not just isolated incidents, but a growing trend. The entertainment industry is being revolutionized by mixed reality, as it blurs the lines between fiction and reality. The line between viewer and participant is fading, creating a whole new world of interactive entertainment. MSR is redefining entertainment by blurring the lines between fiction and reality. In architecture, MSR is a game changer. Architects have always been visionaries, their minds capable of conceptualizing spaces that don't yet exist. But even for these skilled professionals, translating a two-dimensional blueprint into a three-dimensional reality can be challenging. Enter mixed reality. With MR, architects can visualize their designs in the context of the real world, making it easier to understand how a building will interact with its environment. Imagine standing on a vacant lot, donning a pair of MR glasses, and watching a building rise from the ground in real time. You can walk around it, step inside, and experience the space as it's intended to be. If something doesn't quite work, you can make real-time modifications to the design. This technology is not just about convenience, it's about sustainability and efficiency. By spotting potential issues before construction begins, architects can save time, money, and resources. MSR is empowering architects to create more sustainable and efficient designs. In the era of remote work, MSR is bridging the gap. As we navigate through an increasingly interconnected world, mixed reality is revolutionizing the way we collaborate and communicate from a distance. Imagine a meeting room that transcends physical boundaries, where participants, regardless of location, can interact with each other as if they're in the same room. This is no longer a figment of imagination. Today, mixed reality technology is enabling us to create shared spaces and experiences, making remote work more engaging and intuitive. It's transforming how we present ideas, allowing us to visualize data and concepts in a three-dimensional space. It's also enhancing our ability to work on complex tasks together, offering a level of interactivity that video calls and emails simply can't match. In essence, mixed reality isn't just about creating a new way to work. It's about making remote work more efficient and interactive. It's about crafting a future where distance is no longer a barrier to collaboration. Like any new technology, Arkansas and MR also come with their set of challenges. These include high costs of production and access. With the current technology, creating immersive AR and MR experiences can be quite expensive. The availability of content is another issue. We need more developers to create diverse applications to fully utilize the potential of these technologies. And of course, there are privacy concerns to address, as these technologies interface intimately with our personal spaces. Despite these challenges, the potential of AR and MR is undeniable. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of AR and MR looks promising. These technologies are poised to play a transformative role in numerous industries. Imagine architects designing buildings with mixed reality tools, or doctors performing complex surgeries guided by augmented reality. In education, interactive AR lessons could make learning more engaging. Even our daily routines could be enhanced by these technologies, from shopping to socializing. The possibilities are endless and the future is exciting. The future of AR and MR is not just in the hands of scientists and developers, but also in yours. As we navigate this fascinating terrain, your engagement, your curiosity, your willingness to experiment with these technologies are invaluable. By embracing AR and MR, you help shape their evolution. Your feedback, your ideas, your dreams, they all contribute to this grand narrative. So dive into this new reality. Your perspective and experience can shape the future of AR and MR. Before we close, we'd like to hear from you. How has augmented or mixed reality impacted your life? Have you had any novel experiences or seen interesting applications? Share your AR and MR experiences and let's shape the future together. So, as we step into the future, let's embrace AR and MR and the possibilities they bring. From gaming and education to healthcare and architecture, these technologies are shaping our world in unimaginable ways. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AR and Mr. We extend our gratitude to all those who made this exploration possible. Your dreams and innovations are the key to this exciting future. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until then, keep imagining, keep innovating. Before we say goodbye, let's take a quick detour to the bustling world of retail. Augmented reality, or AR, is quickly reshaping the way we shop. Imagine trying on clothes without ever stepping into a dressing room, or seeing how a new couch would look in your living room without making a purchase. AR makes all this possible, and much more. AR technology enables customers to virtually try before they buy, eliminating the uncertainty around online shopping. It's not just about the products, it's about personalizing the entire shopping journey. AR can suggest items based on your preferences, style, and even mood, transforming the shopping experience into a tailored journey designed just for you. The retail industry is on the cusp of a significant transformation, with AR bridging the gap between online and in-store shopping. The lines are blurring, and the result is a seamless, personalized shopping experience like never before. So the next time you're about to click buy, remember you're part of a retail revolution. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, your next shopping spree could be a journey into the future. We've just talked about how augmented reality is revolutionizing retail. Now let's turn our attention to another exciting application of mixed reality: training and development. In this arena, MR is proving to be a game changer. Imagine pilots honing their skills in a virtual cockpit or surgeons practicing complex procedures without any risk to patients. This is the power of MR. By providing immersive training experiences, MR enhances learning and retention, making the training process more effective. MR allows for safe and effective training in high-risk industries like aviation and healthcare. It's like being in the field without the associated risks. But it's not just about safety. MR is transforming training by making it more interactive and engaging. It's one thing to read about a process, and quite another to virtually perform it. This level of interactivity makes learning more effective and enjoyable. So whether it's a new employee learning the ropes or a seasoned professional brushing up their skills, MR is revolutionizing training and development by providing immersive and effective learning experiences. The future of training is here, and it's mixed. From revolutionizing training, we now move to another exciting realm where augmented reality is making waves: the tourism industry. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have an interactive guide while exploring a new city or visiting a historical monument? AR is making this possible. With AR, tourists can point their smartphones at a monument and instantly receive information about it, right on their screens. But it doesn't stop there. AR is also enhancing the travel experience by providing real-time translations and directions, making navigation in a foreign land a breeze. Imagine walking down a street in Paris and being able to read the menus in the local cafes, or understand the road signs in real time. Fascinating, isn't it? Moreover, Arkansas is transforming tourism by making it more immersive and personalized. Tourists can now virtually visit a location before they travel, helping them plan their trip better. They can preview hotel rooms, explore local attractions, and even sample local cuisine, all through AR. In essence, Arkansas is revolutionizing tourism by enhancing the travel experience. It's like having a personal tour guide, translator, and planner all in one. With AR, the world is truly at your fingertips. So the next time you plan a trip, don't forget to pack your AR apps along with your travel essentials. As we leave the world of travel and step into the realm of industry, let's explore how mixed reality is transforming the manufacturing sector. Just as AR is enhancing tourism, MR is improving efficiency and productivity in manufacturing. How, you ask? Well, imagine being able to visualize and modify designs in real time without having to create physical prototypes. That's exactly what MR is enabling. With MR, engineers can create, view, and modify 3D models of products right in their workspace. This not only saves time, but also reduces the cost of making physical prototypes. But that's not all. MR is also enhancing collaboration and communication among teams. With MR, teams located in different parts of the world can collaborate on designs in real time, as if they were in the same room. They can visualize, discuss, and modify designs together, creating a more efficient and effective workflow. In essence, MR is revolutionizing manufacturing by making it more efficient and productive. It's like having a virtual design studio and a global team at your disposal. With MR, the future of manufacturing is here. So, as we step into this new era of manufacturing, let's embrace MR and unleash its potential to transform our industries. AR and MR are not just transforming industries, they're impacting society as a whole. Let's delve into how these technologies are changing our lives. Firstly, they're enhancing accessibility. For those with disabilities, Arkansas and MR are providing new ways to interact with the world, making it more inclusive and accessible. Imagine being able to see sign language translations in real time through AR glasses, or using MR to simulate physical spaces for people with movement limitations to navigate safely. Secondly, Arkansas and MR are fostering creativity and innovation. They're giving artists, designers, and inventors new platforms to express their creativity and design revolutionary products. Imagine a world where you can create and interact with your art in 3 dimensions, or invent a product and see it come to life right before your eyes. Lastly, Arkansas and MR are reshaping our perception of reality. They're blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds, redefining how we interact with our surroundings. Imagine a world where digital information is overlaid onto your physical environment, or where you can step into a virtual world that feels as real as the physical one. In essence, Arkansas and MR are not just transforming industries, they're reshaping our society and our perception of reality. As we step into this new era of digital transformation, let's embrace these technologies and witness their potential to transform